Won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them Tory flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a whitey. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shicey. Ask me if I'm rolling with some Gucci, bitch, I might be. It's very...
Even on your worst day, you still gotta slay. Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I'm starting off with hair that just took out the braids, so it's looking a bit trashy right now. And my ends need cutting. You see the straggly ends, they need to be off. But yeah, I took out my cornrows and I couldn't be asked with the wigs. It's like, you know what? Let me just do a turban style because it's the easiest thing to do ever. I kind of messed up my edges. I was trying to follow this girl on how she did her edges, but then I realized we have two different hair textures. Hers is more wavy and more like, you know, mine is very, very curly and doesn't behave itself that well. But I did try and I think it came out as best as it possibly could do. Considering my hair is just an absolute mess right now, he needs a wash. I always decide to do tutorials when my hair needs a wash, never a fresh do, right guys? But oh well, it still looked alright. So I just tied up my hair after I've tied it up and just did the baby hair, which is just something that you normally would do. And then I'm just going to use my headscarf as like padding for the turban. So I just kind of tied it around my bun because I didn't really have any extra piece of hair lying around. After that, I'm using my scarf. This is from the Habiba the silver collection. It is called Air. So I'm just tying that up and then I'm just going to start wrapping the scarf around the bun. The trick with this is to just get it the way that you want to get it, and I think that's about it really. And it's just the easiest thing to do, especially when you're having a bad hair day or your wig is a bit messed up as well. And also just to show that we can rock without the fake hair. Get what I'm saying? Like, come on guys, come on. That took no effort at all. Now for the makeup, I'm going to be using the ANASTASIA Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in Ebony. I'm going to be using that to fill in my brow with one of their brow brushes. I don't know the name of it, but as long as it's like an angled brush, it will fill in the eyebrows great, you know what I'm saying? So I never really fill in my eyebrows perfectly, it just never works out. Like, look at that guys, can you see the residue at the bottom? But it's okay because we have concealer. So once I've brushed my eyebrows out, I just use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, use a flat brush, and then I just conceal underneath my brows. And look, it gets rid of the mess. Then I'm just going to bring the concealer down and I'm going to fill like out my lid with the concealer. And then I'm just going to blend that out with my Real Technique sponge. I hope you guys had a great day and I hope you continue to have a great week, by the way. Just to let you know, be a bit positive today and all that. Anyways, I'm using my Beauty Bakerie flower powder in yellow to set the eyes and going in with the Tammi Tropical Paradise from Makeup Revolution. I'm so proud of Tammi. She's absolutely amazing. She's doing so well. So I had to support my girl, use this palette in this video. I'm using like the orangey shade, putting that all over my lid. Absolutely love the color. And then I'm going with the brown shade and I'm putting that in the crease. This is a palette that I've actually been using all the time. Like, I just gravitate towards it all the time. I just use these two shades a lot. And then I'm going to be using the lighter shade and it's kind of like goldy. It looks kind of whitish, but it comes off kind of goldy as a brow highlight, and that looks absolutely amazeballs. Absolutely love that. Now I'm just going to wipe off any excess fallout off my face, and then I will be adding some lashes. I'm using Backstage lashes in Mayfair. Absolutely beautiful. Look at them guys. Oh yes. Now I'm using a cream eyeliner from Primark that I always use and line my waterline. And then I'm also just like combining the lashes and my natural lashes together and just pressing them in. Then I'm going to be using my Smashbox primer photo oil thing and just putting that all over my face just to moisturize my face and prime it ready for like everything else I'm gonna be packing on there. You know what I mean? Yeah, packing. Using my NYX pore filler just to minimize the pores. Then the Benefit Professional, and it's the Matte Me one, was a matte rescue one, not matte me but matte rescue, and I put that on my T-zone where I get oily. Now my favorite foundation of all time, Revlon Color Stay Foundation. This one is in mahogany. It's a little bit darker than cappuccino. Absolutely love this. This is my most favorite foundation in the world. I get this from Amazon, by the way, guys, and I stack up on it because it's just everything. I also use this to conceal my brows and make them very, very sharp like that. Yes, and I just blend it out with my brush. This is also from, actually that's from BH Cosmetics, by the way. Then I'm going to be highlighting Tarte Shape Tape concealer in Deep, and I'm just going to be blending it out, you know, the whole boring stuff. But a lot of people enjoy doing face makeup. The most favorite part of doing makeup for me is when I actually finish. So honest, like, I swear to God, guys, after, like, when I finish doing my makeup, that's when I'm like, yes, now I can actually leave the house. I actually don't even bring makeup out with me. That's how bad it is. Do it once, make sure it's on point, set the face, and I'm out the door. Anywho, yes, so once I've set my face, I'm using, by the way, the Beauty Bakerie flower powder in yellow, and I'm just using that to like create a higher cheekbone. But by the way, I forgot to blend it out on my right side of my face, I think, yeah. So it kind of looked a bit harsh, but I did correct it in the end. So just remember, guys, to pay really close attention to the side of your face. Anyways, I use my Loreal powder that was in Deep, and then I'm using the CoverGirl Ebony bronzer, and that just gives like loads and loads of warmth to the face. I absolutely love it. I normally tend to go very heavy-handed with this because I just think it's absolutely perfect. It just does something for me, guys. I also got this from Amazon, by the way, because I know a lot of you have been asking. I get mine off Amazon. I also use this to contour my nose because I feel like it's not as harsh as the normal contour products, and I don't really like to use cream contour because I feel like it's very, very long and I really don't have time for all that blending away. Then I'm just going to curl my lashes to make sure that they just stay up and my eyes are more open. Then I'm going to use my Fix Plus, and I'm going to be spraying that gold shade, and I'm going to put that underneath the eyes and also in the inner corner of the eyes. Just pack it in there, girl. Pack it in. Oh, I'm so annoyed about my edges, guys. Like, look at it. Like, I could have done such a better job, but I was just trying to copy that girl. We have two different hair textures. Oh. Anyways, I'm going back in with that brown shade and putting that underneath my eyes, just to smoke it out a bit. That brown shade just really, really blends out, you know, the harsh gold, so it's really, really nice. Then I'm going to be using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara just to define my lashes and also blend my real lashes in with my falsies. And I absolutely love this mascara. It did such a good job. Oh, look at the edges though. Anywho, we still slayed, guys. Then I'm using the Ofra Cosmetics highlighter. This is in Bali, and I'm just going to be using that to highlight my cheekbones. I prefer the Beverly Hills one. I wanted that gold shade out of it, but unfortunately I couldn't. I think I bought the wrong one, but this one still was really, really nice. It gave a nice highlight. Yes, honey. Then on top of the lips, on the nose, and the bridge of the nose, and then like we're gonna do on the chin, and then on the forehead. I really like highlight, guys, as you can tell. So then I'm going to set my face with the Makeup Revolution setting spray. This is the oil control one because I do get oil in the T-zone, as I said, and this works perfectly for me. So as you can see, my makeup is set and it looks really, really nice and cute. So then I'm going to move on to the lips. I'm using the NYX lip pencil suede one in Club Hopper. I'm just lining my lips and just, yeah, basically lining them, preparing them for the metallic lip paint that I'm going to be using. It is very, very pigmented, guys. Like, take a look. This is from Khase Cosmetics, and I think this one is called Empire, and it's such a beautiful color. and it matches my eyeshadow and it matches my headscarf, and I was like so happy about this because like I was literally winging this entire look. But you know what, yes, when you wing it always comes out really, really lovely and really, really nice, and you guys seem to really like it in my previous video, the makeup look, so obviously I was not going to disappoint. Anyways, that's all done. So I'm just going to put in my earrings from Forever 21. And that's the whole look completely finished. I really, really hope you like this. Please don't forget to like and to subscribe and to comment. And I'll see you in my next video, alright? Big up yourselves, my G's.
Yeah, it's my team summer. Couple setbacks, bounce back and recover. The clip real small, but we making big moves. And we headed to the top so we can get a better view like. I'ma catch a tan overseas while I'm out the country. Let me get some Hennessy.